Okay, everyone. Please listen. I understand that so very many of you Sharon Gabi fans are thinking, or hoping that we are back together, in some way or another.
Sharon Denenay na nagkabalikan sila ni Gabi, promise kay Kiko, I am loyal. Mukhang may pinagdadaanan ang mag-asawang Sharon Cuneta at ex-senador Kiko Pangilinan. May post kasi si Sharon nitong Lunes na hindi namin gaanong pinansin dahil baka part lang ito kanyang emo, dahil knowing her baka naglalabas lang ng nararamdaman niya na lagi naman niyang ginagawa. Ang unang post ni Mega ay, I'm loyal, I'll never leave you for someone else, I'll only leave you for myself, for my peace, my sanity, my respect, my dignity. Binasa namin ang mga komento ng netizens at itinuturo ang kanyang hubby na si Kiko, Saini at Phoebe Elza 123. For him po ba ito?
Sagot ni at MCP 1983, nakakaiyak nga yung interview niya sa TWBA na sabi niya I miss you daddy, I miss you mommy, I miss my 20-year-old self, I miss me, tapos grabe iyak niya, ramdam mong she lost herself, praying for happiness and peace for her. Sinagot ni at MCP 1983, at Carmela Ocampo 98, true, cries for help niya na yun but people thought lang, that she was overacting. Di talaga healthy for her to be with Kiko. Siguro inisip niya na lang ang kids. Sana magising na.
Like now nagpo-post si Sharon ng quotes and nakita ko yung post ni Kiko parang joke lang na quote, imagine nagkakaganon wife mo, ang ganun lang ay pop-us niya. Tinanong ko nga husband ko, POV ng guy, bakit joke lang post, sabi niya parang I don't care daw yun, baka kulang sa love si Sharon sa house nila and imagine siya naging breadwinner sa house nila. Grabe talaga manghinayang ka kay Sharon, sabi pa. Chinek namin ang sinasabing post ni dating Senador Kiko sa kanyang IG account na may larawan siyang nakaupo sa high chair at ang caption ay, kapag pagod ka nakakatayo at kakasalita maghapon sa mga speaking engagement pero hindi maaring palampasin ang open forum at Q&A, lalo na kapag mabibigat ang mga katanungan ng mga kabataan, ang sumunod na post ni Sharon kahapon ay, may you soon meet the reason why the universe did not allow you to settle. The past is a place of reference, not a place of residence, the past is a place of learning, not a place of living. Tila ito ang sagot ng hubby ni Sharon, mag-ingat sa all, bilang caption sa art card niyang, my teacher told me not to worry about spelling because in the future there will be autocorrect and for that I am eternally grapefruit, mukhang idinaan nga sa biro ni dating senador. Kiko ang sagot niya sa hanash ng asawa, at ang reaksyon ng kanyang followers.
Galing kay at Geneva Colette, hahaha natawa ako sobra. Say naman ni at ms.ace, ha. I love. Gayun din ang iba na pawang laughing emojis ang sagot. Anyway, mukhang sinamantala ito ng loyal Gabi at Sharon fans na marahil ay pinadalhan siya ng private o direct messages na baka pwedeng sila na lang ulit ng tatay ng anak niyang si Cristina Cassandra Cuneta Concepcion. May kinalaman kaya ang mga sweet moments at tuksuhan ni na Sharon at Gabi sa ginanap na Dear Heart concert nila sa MOA Arena at sa ginanap sa Cebu kung saan may video na nakahilig pa si Shawi sa dating asawa at may nakita rin kaming nag-kiss sila. Ito'y base sa mga uploaded videos ng mga nakapanood sa kani-kanilang YouTube channels at inisip ng kanilang supporters na nagkabalikan na ang ex-couple. Kaya siguro sinagot ito ni Sharon ngayong gabi by explaining na hindi sila nagkabalikan. Okay everyone. Please listen. I understand that so very many of you Sharon Gabi fans are thinking, or hoping that we are back together, in some way or another. Reality check, we have not been in touch since our last concert, we do not talk, text, see each other. We are living totally separate lives and whatever has been going on in mine, he has absolutely nothing to do with, and vice versa. I know that the concerts brought all of you back to happier times, but there is a reason why we have not gotten back together since we broke up in 1987. He is my eldest daughter's papa and so, he will always be a part of my life and history but that's about it. We just cannot live together because we have very little in common. At tinuldukan na ni Sharon na ang Dear Heart concert na ang huli nilang pagsasama ng dating kabiyak. The Dear Heart concerts might be the last you will see of us together for a long time or even ever. It's just too complicated when our parties and we just somehow cannot communicate and agree on certain things, both work-related and not. My team and I have gone above and beyond for him so that their heart could be brought to you, our beloved fans. Now to those who may be reading this who apparently like bashing and hurting my children, please do not include them. They are basically private people, kids pa, and do not deserve all of your negativity. Di sila kasali dito, so I beg you, please stay away from them and leave them in peace. This kind of treatment you give my children is evil and so unwarranted.
Kayo, anong masasabi nyo? Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe.